I welcome you all in this session. Myself, Aarti Talaulikar, Assistant Professor from PESS RSN College of Arts and Science, Farmagudi, Ponda, Goa. Program: Bachelor's of Science, Second Year. Subject: Botany. Semester 4. Course Code BOS 102. Course Title: Herbal Technology. Title of the unit: Conservation of Medicinal Plants. Module name: Centers for Conservation of Medicinal Plants, CIMAP and FRLHT. In this module, you will be learning about conservation of medicinal plants, Centers of Conservation of Medicinal Plants, CIMAP, which is Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, FRLHT, which is Foundation of Revitalization of Local Health Traditions. By the completion of this module, you will be able to explain the need of conservation of medicinal plants and describe Centers of Conservation of Medicinal Plants, CIMAP and FRLHT. Conservation of medicinal plants. India has a rich resource of medicinal plants, hence considered as botanical garden or herbarium of the world. The expanding demand of herbal products has put the native medicinal plants resources under significant stress. While populations of many medicinal plant species have depleted and several are facing threat of extinction. The Government of India is serious about the conservation of herbal wealth. It has been working through various ministries, departments, institutes and laboratories in this direction. Center for Conservation of Medicinal Plants, CIMAP, which stands for Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants. It is involved in various activities of medicinal plants, including biodiversity conservation. It was established as the Central Indian Medicinal Plants Organization in 1959. Later, aromatic plants were also covered within the scope of CIMPO. CIMAP is a frontier plant research laboratory of CSIR, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Objectives: to coordinate and channelize the activities in the field of medicinal plants, to develop medicinal plant resources of India, to bring under cultivation some of the important medicinal plants in great demand, and to introduce the cultivation in the country of exotic medicinal plants of high yielding active principal content. CIMAP has its research headquarters situated at Lucknow. It has 4 research centers situated in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pantnagar and Purara. Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plant is equipped with multidisciplinary laboratories, ultra-modern instrumentation facilities and scientific expertise. It houses a national gene bank on medicinal and aromatic plants that focuses on the conservation of medicinal and aromatic plants of India in the form of seed, field, tissue, that is in vitro cultures, and DNA gene banks. The live plants are also conserved in the respective field conservatories like Ayush, the traditional system of medicine, Shrishti, here the shrubby, medicinal and aromatic plants are conserved, Taruvar, three species of medicinal and aromatic plants, Phalvan, medicinal aromatic plants mainly used as fruits. Its DNA fingerprinting laboratory is dedicated for molecular characterization of germplasm. Seed Quality Laboratory is also working on development of seed state standards for quality parameters and protocols. Its contribution to the Indian economy through its medicinal and aromatic plants research is well known. It has developed varieties that have higher yielding potential and are rich in chemical components. India is a global leader in production of mint, vetiver and other aromatic grasses. CIMAP Lucknow and its research centers regularly organizes training programs, entrepreneurship building programs, need-based industrial trainings, and awareness programs. Center for Conservation of Medicinal Plants, FRLHT, which stands for Foundation for Revitalization of Local Health Traditions. This was established in Bangalore in 1993. It carries out extensive activities for medicinal plants conservation. Objectives: high quality medical practices and research in Indian system of medicine, conservation of the natural resources used by Indian system of medicine, revitalization of social processes for transmission of our medical heritage. It concentrates on research programs involving studies related to medicinal plants in different forest types, threat assessment, saving species on the verge of extinction and sustainable harvest. It also undertakes programs related to efforts towards development of databases, establishment of a biocultural herbarium and raw drug repository of the plants of India. FRLHT is in collaboration with state forest departments established in situ medicinal plants conservation areas. It targeted setting up of 30 medicinal plants conservation areas in the state of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Efforts are also put to set up medicinal plant conservation parks and nurseries. FRLHT has launched a data collection program called as Village Level Community Register. This documents the rich traditional knowledge of village communities and the use of bioresources, their availability and conservation practices. It also has an ethno-medicinal garden that has native medicinal plants. It is a live repository of around 1,500 species of medicinal plants collected from all over India. Attractive tag accompanies each plant to inform the visitors about the ethnobotany of each plant. Other outreach activities include programs for creation of home gardens and institutional gardens in India, exhibitions, flower shows, etc. to popularize medicinal plants and spread the message grow plants for better health. References. Thank you.